Imagine this. You start walking, maybe to the store or around the block, and within just a few minutes your legs feel heavy, your back tightens, and your steps get slower. You want to keep going because you used to walk miles without thinking, but now your body gives up long before your mind does. Most seniors think this is normal aging, but the truth is something very different. There are hidden reasons your walking ability drops after 60, and most people never hear about them. Today, I'll show you the three biggest ones that quietly drain your stamina and stop you from walking long distances. And once you understand them, you can finally start reversing the problem instead of living with it. Before we begin, let me know in the comments how old you are and where you're watching from. It helps build a supportive senior community and shows you that you're not alone in this journey. All right, let's begin with the third hidden reason most seniors never even hear about. And trust me, the number one reason will surprise you more than anything else. Reason 3. Your walking muscles are not working together anymore. People over 60 often believe they've become weak, but in many cases the problem isn't weak muscles. It's disconnected muscles. After the age of 60, a natural process begins, called neuromuscular decline. This simply means the communication between your brain and your muscles becomes slower and less coordinated. According to a 2023 study from the Journal of Functional Aging, seniors lose close to 1% of neuromuscular efficiency each year if they're not actively training. This affects your walking far more than you think. Walking is not one muscle. It's a team effort of glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, lower back, core muscles. But here's the hidden truth. When these muscles stop firing together, your body wastes energy with every step. Seniors often describe it as, "My legs get tired fast. My steps feel heavy. My hips feel unstable." This happens because different muscles take over jobs they shouldn't be doing. For example, if your glutes stop activating properly, your lower back and thighs take the workload, causing early fatigue. Imagine trying to walk with half the team missing. That's what's happening inside your body. Now here's the good news. Your brain and muscles can relearn to work together at any age. Scientists call this motor retraining, and studies show seniors can improve walking efficiency by over 38% within 8 weeks when they stimulate the right muscle groups through simple targeted exercises like glute squeezes, heel raises, and hip extensions. Even if your muscles fire together perfectly, something else can still stop you from walking long distances, and most seniors never think about it. Before we go to reason 2, press the like button so other seniors can find this video when they need it the most. Reason 2, silent tightness that cuts your walking power by half. Seniors often assume their problem is weakness, but in many cases the real issue is tightness, especially in 3 key areas: hip flexors, calves, lower back. This is what I call silent tightness, because most seniors don't even notice it until it becomes a serious problem. Tight muscles force your body into a shortened walking stride. Instead of taking natural, long steps, you begin taking small, stiff steps that use far more energy. This is why many seniors say, "I can walk, but not for long. My legs burn fast. It feels like something is pulling." You're not imagining it. When your hip flexors tighten, your hips tilt forward. When your calves tighten, your ankles lose mobility. When your lower back tightens, your pelvis gets locked. All 3 combined affect your walking in 2 major ways. 1. Your stride becomes shorter. 2. Your body has to work harder for every step. A 2022 study from the American Journal of Physical Medicine found that limited hip extension can reduce walking endurance by up to 42% in adults over 60. That means almost half your walking stamina can disappear simply because your muscles are tight, not weak. Let me give you a story many seniors relate to. A 67-year-old man in a mobility study complained he could barely walk 1 block. His doctors initially believed it was weakness. After testing, they found his hip flexors were so tight that he couldn't extend his leg fully while walking. After 4 weeks of gentle stretching and mobility exercises, he doubled his walking distance with no strength training at all. That is the power of fixing tightness. But now we move to the biggest reason of all, the one that drains walking ability faster than any disease, any condition, or any amount of aging. Reason 1. Your walking energy system has shut down gradually. This is the most hidden reason and the most frustrating for seniors. Even if your muscles work together, even if your body is flexible, you still won't walk far if your endurance system has weakened. Walking long distances depends heavily on leg endurance, cardiovascular efficiency, oxygen delivery, consistent step rhythm. But here's what happens after 60. If you stop walking long distances regularly, your body quickly adapts to short-distance mode. Your heart pumps less efficiently, your lungs take shallow breaths, your muscles fatigue faster, your energy drops in minutes. According to a 2024 study from the European Journal of Active Aging, seniors lose aerobic walking capacity 2 to 4 times faster than muscle strength. This means your endurance disappears faster than your muscles weaken. Let me explain it simply. Imagine a car engine that hasn't been used for a long drive in years. It still works, but not smoothly. It struggles, consumes more fuel, and overheats quickly. Your walking system reacts the same way. Here's another major factor. Most seniors unknowingly slow their walking speed over time. When you walk slower, your heart and lungs don't get challenged. And when they don't get challenged, your endurance drops even more. But here's the hopeful part. Your endurance system is one of the fastest things to rebuild at any age. Studies show that structured walking routines can increase distance tolerance by 30 to 55% in just 6 weeks, even in seniors over 70. So, what does this mean for you? It means your inability to walk long distances is not a sign that your body is old. It's a sign that your engine hasn't been reactivated in a long time. But now that you know the reasons, what can you do next? How to fix all 3 problems, step by step. We've covered the 3 hidden reasons. 1. Muscle coordination loss. 2. Silent tightness. 3. Energy system decline. Now let's break down how to fix them in a simple, realistic way. Step 1. Wake up your walking muscles. Try these daily. Glute squeezes, slow heel raises, standing hip extensions. These activate your glutes, calves, and hips so they support each other again. Step 2. Release the tight zones. Focus on 3 areas: hip flexor stretch, calf stretch, lower back mobility. Just 60 seconds each can free your stride. Step 3. Build your walking engine. Start small. 5-minute brisk walk every day. Increase only 30 seconds per day. Aim for 10 to 12 minutes by week 2. Never let your pace drop too low. Endurance grows through consistency, not intensity. But always remember, before trying any new routine, consult your doctor or physical therapist if you have medical conditions. If this video helped you understand why walking long distances has become harder, share it with a friend who might be struggling too. We're building a community where seniors support each other and stay informed, and make sure to subscribe for more senior-friendly health videos, mobility tips, and routines every week. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.